hOmeLabs 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer, top door deep freezer with manual defrost and easy access defrost drain, home and office food storage with removable shelf basket and adjustable thermostat. Deep storage chest freezer, store 4 frozen turkeys inside this 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer that measures 21.5 x 19.5 x 33.5 inches with max height open door of 50.5 inches. Store all sorts of food that should be kept frozen like meat, fish, chicken and dairy products, and separate them at ease using the 15 x 7.1 x 7.9 inch wire sliding basket. Adjustable temperature control, easily change the internal temperature from 10.4 degrees Fahrenheit to 0.4 degrees Fahrenheit or defrost the machine by adjusting the thermostat knob located externally in the bottom part of the chest freezer. To set to the lowest temperature, rotate the thermostat knob to max, and to set to the highest temperature, rotate the thermostat knob to mid. All energy efficiency certification with minimal noise. This 115B compact freezer chest only consumes 0.53 kilowatt-hours per day and operates with less than 42 decibel sound, perfect for hospitals, pantries, and apartments. The top door also has 2 balanced hinges that stay up on its own, so you won't have to hold it to keep it open while looking for items inside. Classy space-saver freezer, designed with a pure white finish with adjustable feet that adds a stylish touch to any home kitchen, office pantry, and even in small-type restaurants and bake shops. Small yet a powerful machine that freezes food to lock in flavor and nutrition. Before using the chest freezer, allow it to stand for 24 hours. Satisfaction guaranteed. hOmeLabs offers a limited 2-year warranty and free return or exchange within 30 days of order receipt. The warranty also covers all costs related to restoring the proven defective product through repair or replacement of any defective part and necessary labor so that it conforms to its original. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.